Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session I am going to discuss about step fixed cost. So before I move on to this particular topic, I have already discussed about the difference between variable cost and fixed cost and the cost behavior patterns of those two costs. And I have already made a video on that. So I have given the link above on the top left corner. So first of all, what you can do is you can watch the video, then you can come back to this session for better understanding. So what is a step fixed cost? So step fixed cost means it's a fixed cost, but the cost is constant up to a certain activity level. Up to a certain capacity level, the cost will be constant. So over and above that capacity, the fixed cost will change. So in order to explain this, let me take an example. Now there is a manufacturing plant. So that particular company manufactures steel chairs, and the factory rent per month is $3,000, and the factory can produce up to 1,000 chairs. So that the capacity of that factory is 1,000 chairs. So over and above 1,000 chairs, the company will have to rent out another facility. So thereby the cost will increase. Now if you take this particular table, so as you can see the capacity from 0 to 1,000, the rent per month will be $3,000, and if they want to increase the capacity from 1,001 to 2,000, then they will have to rent out another facility, so which will increase by another additional 3,000. So therefore the cost will increase up to 6,000 per month. So beyond 2,000 up to 3,000, so they need an extra facility, additional facility, so that will further increase the fixed cost by additional 3,000, so the total will be 9,000. So this is the basic pattern of the the step fixed cost. Now let's see, based on this information, let's plot the graph and we'll see how the graph will look like for the step fixed cost. Now as you know that we have to have the vertical axis as well as horizontal axis. The vertical axis will be the total fixed cost. This is the cost, and this will be the number of units or the volume. So up to 1,000 capacity level, your rent will be 3,000. So if you take the capacity as 1,000, 2,000 and 3,000, the cost will be 3,000, then 6,000 and 9,000. So up to 1,000 units, your cost is going to be 3,000. So therefore this cost is fixed up to this level. So beyond 1,000 up to 2,000, so the cost will be 6,000. From 1,000 to 2,000 it will be 6,000. Then from 2,000 to 3,000, the cost is going to be 9,000. So that will be straight line, it's fixed. So basically if you take this graph, it will be like a staircase. This is how the step fixed cost graph will look like.